When it comes to natural remedies, some combinations pack a powerful punch. Two ingredients you might already have at home, castor oil and baking soda, are surprisingly effective when mixed together. Each has its own impressive set of benefits, from soothing inflammation to promoting healthier skin and hair. But when combined, their effects are even more remarkable, providing a holistic solution for various health concerns. In this video, we'll explore how mixing these two simple ingredients can support your body in ways you might not expect. And stick around because number 2 might just surprise you. Keep in mind, this video is for educational purposes and should not be viewed as medical advice. If you have specific health concerns, it's best to consult with your doctor. Now, let's check these health benefits. Number 10. Reducing scars, stretch marks, and skin discoloration. Scars, stretch marks, and skin discoloration can be frustrating to deal with, but mixing castor oil and baking soda can help diminish their appearance over time. Castor oil's deep penetration promotes collagen production, which helps the skin heal and regenerate, reducing the visibility of scars and stretch marks. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory properties help calm irritated skin, speeding up the healing process. Baking soda works as a gentle exfoliant, removing dead skin cells and helping to lighten dark spots, blemishes, and uneven skin tone. When used together, castor oil and baking soda create a natural treatment that can help your skin look smoother, more even, and rejuvenated. Mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil with 1 teaspoon of baking soda to form a paste. Apply it to the affected area and leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes. Rinse with warm water. Using this treatment daily for about 5 weeks can show visible results in reducing scars and stretch marks. Number 9. Combating acne and oily skin. If you struggle with acne or oily skin, the combination of castor oil and baking soda can help balance your skin and reduce breakouts. Castor oil has the ability to balance oil production in the skin, preventing the overproduction of sebum that often leads to clogged pores and acne. At the same time, baking soda works to exfoliate the skin and unclog pores, preventing the buildup of oil and dirt that can cause acne flare-ups. This combination of oil control and exfoliation helps prevent new breakouts while treating existing acne. Mix equal parts castor oil and baking soda and apply it to your acne-prone areas. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing with warm water. Use this treatment 2 to 3 times a week for noticeable improvements in oil control and reduced breakouts. Next on the list is promoting hair and scalp health. Castor oil is well known for its ability to nourish the hair and promote growth. When mixed with baking soda, it can help exfoliate the scalp and remove excess oil and dandruff. Castor oil nourishes hair follicles, promoting thicker, healthier hair growth. At the same time, baking soda helps to exfoliate the scalp, clearing away dead skin cells, dirt, and buildup that can clog hair follicles and stunt hair growth. This combination is a great way to promote a healthier scalp, reduce dandruff, and encourage new hair growth. Mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil with 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Massage the mixture into your scalp and leave it on for 20 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. Weekly use of this remedy can help reduce dandruff and promote healthier hair growth. At number 7, supporting the lymphatic system and detoxification. The lymphatic system plays a key role in the body's detoxification process, and castor oil can help stimulate its function. When massaged into the skin, castor oil promotes the flow of lymphatic fluid, helping to flush out toxins from the body. Baking soda, with its pH balancing properties, can further enhance this detoxification process by reducing swelling and inflammation, helping the body detoxify more efficiently. This combination can be particularly helpful for anyone looking to support their immune system or cleanse their body naturally. Mix castor oil and baking soda together and massage the mixture into areas where the lymph nodes are concentrated, such as the neck, armpits, and groin. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse off. Using this remedy 2 to 3 times a week can help support detoxification and improve overall health. Number 6 is relief for joint and muscle pain. If you experience joint pain or muscle soreness, castor oil and baking soda can offer natural relief. Castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties help reduce swelling and pain, making it effective for conditions like arthritis, muscle soreness, and joint inflammation. Baking soda complements this effect by improving blood flow, enhancing the absorption of the oil into sore muscles and joints. The result is a soothing and pain-relieving remedy, that can bring comfort to tired, aching muscles and joints. Mix equal parts of castor oil and baking soda and massage it into the sore areas of your body. Cover the area with a warm cloth and leave it on for about 30 minutes. This treatment can be used as needed for conditions like arthritis or post-exercise soreness. Number 5. Improving circulation. Good circulation is essential for overall health, and castor oil is known to stimulate blood flow. By improving circulation, castor oil helps deliver oxygen and nutrients to various parts of the body. Baking soda enhances this effect by reducing swelling and improving the pH balance in the body, further promoting healthy circulation. Whether you're dealing with poor circulation, swollen legs, or cold hands and feet, mixing castor oil and baking soda can help improve blood flow and reduce discomfort. Apply the mixture to areas of your body that experience poor circulation, such as the legs, feet, or arms. The combination of castor oil and baking soda can help increase blood flow and reduce swelling, leaving you feeling more energized and less fatigued. Number 4. Soothing sunburns and skin irritations. The combination of castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties and baking soda's ability to neutralize acids makes it an effective remedy for soothing sunburns and other skin irritations. Castor oil helps moisturize and repair damaged skin, while baking soda reduces redness and irritation, providing fast relief. Mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil with 1 teaspoon of baking soda and apply to sunburned or irritated skin. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse with cool water. Use as needed for relief. Next, we have improving skin texture and reducing wrinkles. The mixture of castor oil and baking soda can be used as a gentle exfoliating scrub, helping to remove dead skin cells and promote smoother, more youthful skin. Castor oil's collagen-boosting properties support skin elasticity, while baking soda stimulates blood flow, improving overall skin texture and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil with 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Gently massage the mixture into the skin, focusing on areas with fine lines. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing with warm water. Use 2 to 3 times a week for improved skin texture. At number 2, we have alleviating headaches and migraines. Massaging a blend of castor oil and baking soda into the temples and neck area can provide relief from tension headaches and migraines. Castor oil's pain-relieving and anti-inflammatory properties help reduce the pain, while baking soda balances pH levels, potentially reducing swelling and discomfort around the head and neck. Mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil with 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Gently massage the mixture into your temples, neck, and shoulders. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse off with warm water. Apply as needed for headache relief. Number 1. Reducing foot odor and sweating. Castor oil and baking soda together are an excellent remedy for foot odor and excessive sweating. Baking soda works to neutralize odors and absorb moisture, while castor oil helps keep the skin nourished and prevents fungal infections, ensuring your feet stay fresh and healthy. Mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil with 1 teaspoon of baking soda and massage it into your feet, especially the soles and between the toes. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse with warm water. Use this treatment 2 to 3 times a week to keep feet fresh. This mixture should be avoided by individuals with sensitive skin, allergies to castor oil or baking soda, or open wounds, as it may cause irritation or an adverse reaction. Always perform a patch test before using it on larger areas of the skin. If you like this video, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more health and wellness tips.